Welcome to Sew Junkies. On today's tutorial, I'll be learning to sew this beautiful flared skirt. Quickly, let us get into it. The measurement you'll be needing is your waist measurement and your skirt length measurement. In getting the waist circumference for a flared skirt, divide your waist measurement by 6.28. 6.28 is the radius of a circle. It should just be at the back of your mind. Anytime you are making a circle skirt, you should divide it by 6.28. If it's a full skirt, if it's a full circle, you divide it by 6.28. You get, and that's for that. Then the next thing is placement of the fabric. You should always have a perfect square to get a perfect circle. Like you fold, if your measurement is 25 and when you divided your waist, the figure you had was 5 plus 25, you have 30. It means your fabric has to be measured 30 times 2, which is 60. You have to have 60 length on side A and 60 length on side B, so making a perfect square. So now that you have 60, you fold on 2 equal parts, fold 2 times, then you fold again, making 4 folds, making a fold of 4. Like you have fold, this is it, 1, you have a full, this is the full 60, then you fold, you have 2, then you fold again, you have 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just that simple. You can see it's a perfect square. Now that you are done having a perfect square, the next thing is to put your measurement at the top part at the side where there is no opening. On the side where there is no opening, it's very important. If not, you have cut out pieces on your flare. So you measure your waist, your waist circumference, that 27 divided by 6.28 is what you are going to be putting at this top part. Yours can be 5, yours can be 6. Once you have that, it means you now have your waist circumference. From that waist circumference, you measure your length. If your length is 25, if your length is 10, if your length is 5, if your length is 6, whatever length you have is what you are going to be putting at that bottom. Did you get? It's very simple. The trick is getting the hang of it. Once you can get a perfect square, you can get a perfect circle. So now you trim out all the excesses that you don't want. So this is just straight to the point. You open, you see that you have a full circle. There is no cutout. There's no cutout at the side. So now we're opening that side for a zip allowance. Remember, we added 1/8 of an inch to our measurement. That 1/8 of an inch multiplied by 4 will give you enough room for zip allowance. So this is just a very simple project for you to do. You can use it for your sleeves, you can use it for your peplum top, you can use it for a circle flared skirt, whatever it works. So guys, there you have it. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you.